This is a review of Ikea Pruta plastic food containers. Looked pretty good on the shelf, and you can see there are many different boxes. They look pretty good, but when time came to seal the deal and use one of these boxes, turned out that you can't properly close them because they have no proper mechanism. They have no edge here at the top, so there's really no way to pop that thing closed, and when you try to close it, it's close to impossible to snap it all together. And imagine if there's food inside, it'll be even harder to snap it. See, now I snapped it closed, but right here there's a gap, and if I do this, it just pops open again. Let's try again with a different box. So let's try to close it. Okay, see, now there's a gap here. Okay, now it's closed. There's a small gap here. Okay, this one is good. Maybe it's not such a piece of trash after all. Let's try this one.